Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town.
So guys, on the staircase, I've placed this pre-lit garland. I think it's about 6 feet long, and I've already fluffed it and attached it to the banister using just these because some of them are really long. So I went with one on this side and then one on the other side and secured it without using the zip ties. It's pre-lit. The problem is I don't have a cord. I don't have any plugs in the staircase area, but I do have a plug, like a socket, a wall socket down in the basement that I can run an extension cord and plug it in. I don't have an extension cord that is long enough. The one that I have is not long enough to come all the way up here. So I'm gonna have to purchase one. So I've already sort of fluffed it out and did what I need to do to it, but to add some more depth, texture, and more interest and some more fullness, I have these other wreaths that I'm gonna share with you guys. So I think I mentioned that I got that garland from, I got that pre-lit garland from Michael's, I think 2 years ago or so. And then I recently ordered a few more garlands from Temu, and these came in a few days ago. I have one of these under the TV on the stand where I style the black and white, the black and gold. And I purchased 3 more of these, and I think I'm going to be adding the 3rd one on the bookshelf, and I'm removing the Norfolk pine pick that I placed there in my original living room decor tour. So I'm going to be using these, like I said, to add some depth and fullness. I think these are about 6 inches long, so I'm going to be using most likely both of them to just fill out and like I said, add more depth, add more interest. And I've been watching a few different content creators that say it's okay to mix your garland. It adds a lot more depth and interest. And I think I'm going to be mixing my metals with the styling of the garland on the staircase area. And I think I'm only going to be decorating the lower banister staircase. I won't be doing the one that's in the upper part of the stairs, because when you come in, I just want that to be, it's gonna add more visual interest and just sort of welcome you into the house. So I'm just doing, I'm just styling the lower banister. I don't have enough garland to do the upper one. I can do that next year. So I think I'm going to be mixing metals. I'm going to be using some silver and some gold because I do have silver metals in my home, even though my theme is black and gold. I'll probably just mix both just to add a little more interest and sparkle and more festiveness to the, if that is a word, to the garland there. So, and I think I'm also going to add some existing lights just to make it more brighter. I'm actually hoping that I can add some twinkle lights, but the twinkle lights I have is USB charged. So yeah, like I was saying, I apologize for the gloominess. It's a bit, the sun went down for some reason. So these are the twinkle lights that I have, and they have a few different settings. They come with a remote. I purchased a few of them from Amazon last year, and I have a few of them on my Christmas tree, and I think I have like 2 or 3 extra ones. So as you can see, I can only plug this into like a phone adapter, and I don't have any extra ones. A phone adapter, and like I said, I don't have an extension long enough to run up the staircase, so I'm gonna have to find a way to purchase another set of twinkle lights that I can just plug into an extension cord, because I want to have some lights that twinkle in that area. If I can't find it, then I'll just go with the pearl lights that I added to the credenza in the dining room, and then I have another set that I added to the garland on my TV stand. So we're gonna go ahead and we're going to add these, like I said, to give some depth, some fullness, and a little bit more interest to the existing garland that I've already added to the banister. So I'm gonna prop you guys up on my tripod and take you over there so we can start decorating the banister. So guys, I'm actually really loving how it looks. I've finished adding the second garland. I don't think I need another one. I don't think I need three. I think it has good depth and good fullness with just the extra garland. And it fills in really nicely. I'm looking at it on camera and I think it looks really nice. It would have been nice if I could have carried it up a little bit further. Maybe I should do that with the other garland and just see how that would look, instead of having that part of the garland, that part of the banister exposed. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. But yeah, it has good depth, it has good fullness, and I really like it. And then I have these cute little lights that I got from Amazon last year. I think I got about 16 or 18 of them in a package. They're not battery operated and they don't come on at a certain time. But I'm still gonna go ahead and use them. And then, like I mentioned, the garland underneath is a pre-lit garland, but I need an extension cord to plug it in, and I don't have one that's long enough. So I'm gonna add these, and I'm still probably gonna see if I can find some other lights, like the ones that I have in the living room, as I mentioned, the pearl ones. Those ones are on a timer and they just come on at a certain time and then they go off. They're battery operated, so I'm saving on electricity. I don't have to worry about my electricity bill, because this year I'm adding lights to like everything. The wreath, the garland, the tree, everywhere just has lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach these, but I'm going to try adding that other garland and see how it looks to cover up the top part. And then we'll just take it from there, add the lights, and then we're gonna go ahead and style it with some silver picks. I don't have any gold picks because in the past I've used mostly silver accents to decorate with for the holidays. So I don't have any like silver picks or any more silver ornaments to add to it. So I'm just gonna use what I have for now, and then if I decide to add any gold accents, because as you guys know, my palette this year is black and gold with white, but I won't be adding any white. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some picks that I have, and then with the lights it should look good. And then in my home tour, if I decide to add anything else, you guys will see in the home tour. But let's add another garland up there and just see how it looks covering up that part of the banister that's still exposed. Hello friends, welcome back to Glam Designs by Anne. Welcome back to another video in my decorating series for the holiday season for 2024. Today I'm adding some garland to my staircase, styling it, and just continuing with that cohesive black and silver theme that I have going on in the staircase area. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and this is my first time doing this, so bear with me. So guys, I've added 2 of these picks. I've added one here, one above there, and then I've added some ornaments here, and it's looking really nice. These I've had for a few years. I got them from Dollarama. I don't remember how much they cost, but they're so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this one in the middle, and then I think I'm just gonna add some more ornaments, and that will probably be it for now. just fill in all of the gaps with. So guys, I wanted to quickly share with you how the garland turned out here on the staircase area. I really love it. The only thing that is missing, guys, is some wired ribbon that I can add to the bottom here where I added the ornaments, and maybe to the top part. Like right here, I don't mind adding some wired ribbon. So I ordered some wired ribbon from Amazon. So when that comes in, I am going to make a really big bow and add it to these two areas. If I possibly can get some more garland, I'll probably do the rest of the staircase, the rest of the banister going up. But I love how everything turned out. It's really nice and festive, and it looks so beautiful as you walk into my home. So I really love how everything turned out. Let me know your thoughts and what you think. This is my first time ever doing this, so I love how it turned out. So if you are new to the channel or watching for the first time, welcome. If you enjoy these types of video, decorating, DIY, motivational cleaning, definitely subscribe to GLAM Designs by Anne by tapping the big red button at the bottom. Also, hit your post notification bell twice. That way you'll get alerts of all of my upcoming new videos. I still have a few more spaces to decorate for the Christmas holidays, so make sure that your bell is on, guys, so you don't miss out. Oh, before I forget, I created this little vase, holiday little vase, by adding some of these balls that are on these stems. I got these from Dollarama a few years ago. And then these are also some more picks that I got from Dollarama a few years ago. I just added them there to my existing greenery. I actually got this idea from my good sister here on YouTube by the name of Cheryl. Her channel name is I Style My Style. She just decorated her existing plants that she normally keeps all year round around the home by just adding some holiday decor to it, and I think it looks really nice. It goes with the silver theme that's going on here in the staircase area. But as you guys know, I am doing black and gold in the lower level, but because I have so much black and silver going on here, I thought it would be best to just do this bow thing instead with the, do this garland instead with the silver accents, so that way it's cohesive, because I still have a lot of silver accents in my lower level as well, so it still sort of flows really nicely. But anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you got some inspiration. If you have some tips that you can give me for decorating your banister for the holiday, you can leave them in the comment section below, because like I said, it's my first time doing this. I've never done it before, but like I said, I really love how it turned out. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
this cold December day, we are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go. On this cold December day, I am piloting my sleigh. The work to be done on my Christmas run is the most tired chore. No girl or boy without a toy, so giddy up, Rudolph, my dear. Hey,